Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to see Apple Music history. All right. Start by opening up your Apple Music app. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead over and play a song. Let's say, for example, we want to play a random song right here. Say, for example, this one. I'm going to tap on play. Then I'm going to open up the music player itself. Now in here, what you're going to want to do is just tap on this three horizontal lines right here. All right. Tap on the song itself, then tap on the three horizontal lines. Now, once you're in here, as you can see, we have this continue playing. And right at the top, we have history. So what we're going to do is just basically scroll up. All right. And as you can see here, we have our history listed right here. You have multiple songs right here, basically 4. Now, if you want to clear your history, just go ahead and hit on clear right here. And there will be a prompt. Are you sure you want to clear your history? Just go ahead and tap on clear history. And then your history is cleared. That's basically how you do it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.